He took it. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Philly CheeseSteak Bao Buns. Philly cheesesteak in a fluffy bao bun with shredded beef, onion, and bell pepper. Heating instructions: using a steamer, we're using that. Microwave 1,200 watts. Love that word. Nutrition facts and ingredients. This is per serving 210 calories and per container 430 calories. Ingredients contains milk, soy, and wheat. There you go. The price is $3.49. There are, looks like 4 buns. So there are 3 members in my family. So all of us can eat 1 bun and we can split this in thirds and serve it. Or I could just eat this as a snack in the afternoon later. Well, let's open one up. I'll meet you guys at the kitchen and let's see it steam. See you at the kitchen. Alright, so here are the bao buns. 4 of them that are resting on a coffee filter in the steamer. It's not on the, the boiling water yet, but it's boiling. And sorry if you see the shadow because of the bright light in the kitchen. Alright, so here they are. So one is cut in half, the other is, well, whole. So I'm gonna first eat the cut in half one with my fork because it's steaming hot. Because, well, it was steamed. Obviously, let's see, I'm gonna poke it through. Not bad. How do I give this to my father? He took it. I thought the other bao is better. What I said was the other baos, there's 2 of them I reviewed, are better. The other 2 are better. But I don't find this bad either. It's not the best thing in the world. I mean, it's better than nothing. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And me, Megan, is Brown Tip, and I'll see you guys again in my other videos. Bye!